Morning, dear students. How are you? As you know, it is our English period, and today we are going to start a new poem. Why English is so hard? Children, tell me, do you really feel that English is hard? No, right? English is not hard, but I think it is a tricky language. Correct? So let us see what the poet wants to tell us through this poem. Why English is so hard? Okay, see, this man is also thinking that is it really hard? I will read the poem first and then I will explain. So please open page number 26, lesson number 12, which is a poem, Why English is so hard. We will begin with a box and the plural is boxes. But the plural of ox should be oxen, not oxes. You may find a lone mouse or whole lot of mice. But the plural of a house is houses, not highs. If the plural of man is always called men, why shouldn't the plural of pan be called pen? And I speak of a foot, and you show me your fate. But I give you a boot, would a pair be called bait? That one may be that, and three may be those. Yet the plural of hat would never be hose. The masculine pronouns are he, his, and him. But imagine the feminine she, she's, and shim. Are they? So, our English, I think you will all agree, is the trickiest language you ever did see. Isn't it a good poem, children? So, let us see one stanza. I will explain, okay? Please read it from the book, see it in the video, and listen the explanation. We will begin with a box and the plural is boxes. Is it correct? See, the singular only one box is called as box, B-O-X, right? And the plural of box is what? Boxes, B-O-X-E-S. Okay, but the plural of ox should be oxen and not oxes. So see, when we talk about a box and ox, what do we feel? These are like rhyming words, correct? The spelling of both the words are similar, only one difference is there. The word box starts from the letter B and then OX, whereas the word ox is having only OX, right? So the pronunciation is also kindly similar, like box, ox. So what do we think? If the words are similar, if the singular form of these two words are similar, then the plural form should also be similar. So if box says boxes, that is plural of box is boxes, then plural of ox should be oxes. But it is not oxes. It is oxen, O-X-E-N, and it is not O-X-E-X. So have you understood this funny thing? Okay, so you have to remember certain irregular nouns. Okay, these are called as irregular plural nouns. So if box says boxes, that is plural of box is boxes, then plural of ox is not oxes, but it is oxen. Okay. So see, singular a box, plural boxes. So there is a box and so many boxes. Okay, so plural form of box is boxes. What is the plural form of ox? Oxen, oxes. So what is the correct thing, children? Yes, oxen, and it is not oxes. Am I right? Okay. So see the next picture. These are two in number. Okay, so what you will call? Oxen. Yes. Oxen, power for family farms. Okay, and here only one ox is given and it is asked what is plural form of ox. Okay, so what do we have to write? It is oxen and not oxes. Have you understood? Okay, so when you see more oxen, that is more than one ox becomes oxen. So see the line written here, oxen power for family farms. Okay, so when you see more than one ox, you will call it as oxen. So plural form of ox is oxen. Now children, can you give me one example of similar kind of word? Yes, we can have a word like fox. Okay, but the plural is foxes and not foxen. Okay, so box, boxes, fox, foxes, they go similarly. Okay, the singular form is same and the plural form is also same, but in case of ox it is totally different. Okay, and so it is irregular plural noun. Have you understood this? Let us go ahead. You may find a lone mouse or whole lot of mice, but the plural of a house is houses, not highs. Isn't it? See again, see both the words mouse and house. They look similar. They have similar letters. The spelling of mouse is M-O-U-S-E and the spelling of house is H-O-U-S-E. So U-S-E, these letters are common in both the words. Only the difference is first letter in mouse is M and first letter in house is H. Right? So what do we think? They should be having similar kind of plural form. So the plural form of mouse is mice, then plural form of house should be highs. But it is not like that. Again, this is irregular plural noun. Okay, so the plural form of mouse is mice. Okay, and the plural form of house is houses and not highs. Have you understood? So many mouse, that means mice. Okay, and so many houses is houses, not highs. Have you understood this? So singular form is mouse, plural form is mice. Okay, see the funny pictures of mouse and mice. So many mouse, that is mice. What should you say? Mice. You should not say mouses. It is mice, M-I-C-E. So plural form of a mouse is mice. Okay, this is irregular plural noun, mouse, mice. Now see here, singular form is house. Okay, so one house, and the plural form is houses and not highs. Okay, so many houses is houses and we should not call it as highs like we call it as mouse, mice. It is not house, highs. It is house, houses. Have you understood this? So this is again trickiest part of this language. Let us go ahead. If the plural of man is always called men, why shouldn't the plural form of pan be called pen? Have you got it? So when we talk about man and pan, again what do we see? They are rhyming words, right? The letters in these words are similar. Only one difference, M and P. The spelling of man is M-A-N, right? And spelling of pan is P-A-N. So A-N are the common letters in these words. Only the difference is the first letter in man is M and the first letter in pan is P, right? So what is the plural form of man? It is men, M-E-N. Okay, see here, singular form a man, plural men. This is one man, okay, a man, and these are so many man, that is men. But then Do we say one pan, that is singular form of pan is a pan and plural form is pen? No, we don't say this. Then what do we say? We say pans. Okay, see in this picture. Singular form is a pan. Okay, and plural form is pans. That is so many pan. That becomes pants, and that is not pain. Have you understood? So man and pan, they look similar. So what do we think? Their plural form will also be similar. But it is not like that. The plural of man is main. Again, it is irregular plural nouns. Okay? And the plural form of pan is pans. More than one pan, that is a plural, that means it is pans. They are not called as pain. Have you understood this? And because of all these things, we say that English is a tricky language. It's not hard, but certain things we have to remember. Okay? We cannot have a common rule for all the words in English. The rules of language or the grammar do change as per the word. And so sometimes they are called as irregular plural noun. Okay, have you understood? So we have seen 3 irregular plural noun. Which are they? One is ox, oxen, and not oxes. Please remember. Okay. Second one is mouse, mice, and not mouses. Please remember. And third one is man, main, and it's not mans. Right? Pan, pants, man, main, not mans. So, ox, oxen, mouse, mice, man, main. These are irregular plural nouns. Will you please remember this? Yes. So, children, rest part of the poem we are going to see in next period. Today we have seen the first 3 stanzas. Did you like the poem? Yes, it is very interesting. Thank you, children.